Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a tube pigeon. For this we'll need 2 tubes, one long, one short, some coloured card, paint and stickers. Start by taping the long tube and the short tube together like this.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
I think we should paint the long tube green and the short tube blue.
Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
Let's leave that to one side to dry. On a piece of yellow card, let's draw 2 feet. And a beak, which is a teardrop shape. On some grey card, let's draw wings with feather details. On a pink piece of paper, draw around a large paper plate. And around a paper cup in the middle. We're going to cut this out, so this needs to be wider than the long tube. Time to cut out all these pieces.
Here comes some monster magic!
Thanks, Murphy. Ask a grown-up for help when using scissors at home. We've even cut slits into the pink circle to look like the ruffles around our pigeon's neck. Let's slide this over the top of the long tube. Now, use a glue stick to add the feet, wings, and beak. Finally, let's add some sticker eyes.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
There, one tube pigeon, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!